Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas verdes in the Oven Easy Guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and prepare salsa verde, warm tortillas, shredded chicken or beans, and grated cheese. Start by simmering tomatillos, jalapenos, onion, garlic, cilantro, and blending until smooth. Dip each tortilla, fill with chicken, roll tightly and place seam side down in a baking dish. Top with sauce and cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden, then rest before serving. To make a vibrant salsa verde, roast tomatillos, jalapenos, onion, and garlic until charred and soft. Blend with cilantro, lime juice, and salt to taste, then thin with a little chicken broth or water to sauce consistency. Taste for brightness and adjust salt or acidity, keeping flavors balanced. Strain for a smoother sauce if desired, and set aside while you warm tortillas and prepare fillings for assembly. This step makes the enchiladas pop with flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a great kitchen sidekick for hot kitchens or meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and let me know if you want a detailed product review. Thanks for the support, and small breaks keep cooking fun. Now let's get back to the video. Warm tortillas briefly to make them pliable and prevent tearing during rolling. Dip each tortilla into salsa verde, add a spoonful of filling, sprinkle cheese, and roll snugly into the pan. Repeat until pan is full, then ladle remaining sauce over the top and add a final layer of cheese. Bake at 375 degrees F until cheese is melted and sauce bubbles, about 20 minutes. Rest 5 minutes before serving. Garnish with cilantro and a squeeze of lime before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.